back to it. You ain't shown me no love, so I turn my back to you. Yeah, yeah, I can't get no racks to you.
Yeah, let's go. I ain't the first with the curse, with the thirst that I wanna be better, not worse, man it hurts. I'm on this earth with my words and I put them all together, insert, cause I wanna have worth. Working hella hard till they put me in the dirt. Gonna go far, man, listen to my words. Gonna be a star, man, life's like a blur. When you're working this hard, yeah, you get what you deserve. Yeah, I ain't taking a backseat, I'm passing anybody else who is rapping. I'm nasty, ain't nobody able to catch me. They gasping, they cannot compare, they can't match me. I'm at half speed, I got your girl and she laughing and dancing, hanging on my butt, she asking to crash with me, smash with me, she savage, she wants cash money, and she knows that I live lavishly. I wanna live, I'm cold inside, give all I have just to feel alive. I fight to live, I fight to strive, one day I'll have what I want. I want the whole world in the palm of my hand, I got a plan, I'm the man, now I'm teaching the game, a veteran, better than anybody else who tests me. I'm ready, looking in my hand and it's steady, I'm trending, ascending and blending, lyrical bending, now I'm spreading and getting my name out now, yeah they hear me back, all the crowds repping the sound, I'm hitting the ground, running, up and coming, ain't nothing, yeah, rookie of the year, I'ma keep it 100, cold-blooded, no budget, coming out in this and I ain't bluffing, I got a full hand and a full plan, I ain't gonna stop till I'm at the top, man, every single drop got me feeling awesome, I'm about to block, starting from the bottom, yeah, so I wanna live, I'm cold inside, give all I have just to feel alive. I fight to live, I fight to strive, one day I'll have what I want in life.
Main MOBA analog, terus ngebus sampai goblok, buang bacot ngelok bodo amat gue tengok, hingga menang hidup bebas, buang waktu sampai puas, kejar yang naik ke atas, percintaan makin ganas, hampir lupa bernapas demi push, yang penting curhat musuh sudah kita tembus, langsung back up bunuh lot sampai mampus, semakin giat karena ku bisa terus. Pikiran ingin jadi top global, naiknya susah masih di bawah lokal. Akhirnya sedeng kebanyakan menghayal, gara-gara ingin cepat jadi gamer terkenal. Push perlahan tapi pasti, teman AFK anjing babi, kuota habis cari wifi, wifi gangguan anjing babi. Kondisikan tim main strategi, jangan mukil jangan banyak mati, kejar savage itu boleh-boleh aja, jadi feeder dasar anak durhaka. Yeah, aku main